ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sheikh Salman AlSabah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Salamat malam. His Excellency Admiral Yudo, Indonesian Chief of Staff, His Excellency Joni, Supriyanto, President of Indonesian Shooting Association, His Excellency Siswanto, Vice President of Indonesian Shooting Federation, Indonesia Olympic Committee, Government and People of Indonesia, Ministry of Sport and Youth, Indonesia. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to thank and acknowledge the continuous efforts of the organizing committee, technical delegate, Mr. Khalid Al-Juraid from the state of Kuwait, also all our ITOs, NTOs, members, all volunteers in successfully organizing this championships, which will surely be a rewarding experience for all participants, athletes, juries, and delegates. Shooting sport in Asia has been steadily growing over the years, and we are very proud of the level of progression of our shooters and federations. Dear friends, the results achieved by the Indonesian athletes, shooters, in the last ISHA World Cup last month have been extremely encouraging, wherein shooters from Indonesia and Asia have performed excellently, particularly the performance of the Indonesian athletes has been remarkable. We greatly appreciate all their achievements and winning medals for Indonesia. Next year, in February, we will celebrate the Asian Shooting Championships here in the beautiful country of Indonesia. In Jakarta, where we will have 16 Olympic quota places will be distributed. For Paris 2024, I do wish all the success for all participants. Dear guests and colleagues, allow me, in the end of my speech, to thank the people and government of Indonesia for their hospitality, thanking them for the excellent conducting of the Asian Cup 2023 for rifle and pistol, and wishing all the participants a good and fair competition. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Please kindly remain at your seat.